Guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Trick. In this video, I will show you how to use Strikethrough in Windows using commands. Want to type Strikethrough text on Windows but don't know how to do this? This video will tell you. So open your Excel sheet. Then you have to type Windows plus. Will show you the code. You have to type okay, I will show you the code. Control plus Shift plus X. Now press this and type enter, and boom, your text is now Strikethrough using a Unicode Strikethrough through command mode. Now we'll show you the command mode. Cancel this. Go to search bar, then type command. As you can see here, run as administrator. Select yes. Then you have to type the code lingojam.com/strikethrough. Check your spell, then type text, then press enter. Now paste it anywhere, Notepad, same to even social media. Now you can see here lingojam and press on cancel, and that's it. Now you know how to add Strikethrough text on Windows. If this video was helpful, hit that like, subscribe and bell icon. I will see you in the next video. And guys, don't forget to turn on notification on my channel so you will get every new update on your mobile as well as laptop. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.